हेलो प्यारे बच्चों, कैसे हैं सारे के सारे बच्चे। वेलकम टू द सेशन गाइज। एंड यू गाइज विल बी वंडरिंग कि यार अब बोर्ड का एग्जाम्स आ रहा है, जेई एग्जाम नज़दीक है, एंड हाउ कैन आई स्कोर 50+ मार्क्स इन दी मैथमेटिक्स इन दी अपकमिंग जेई मेन अप्रैल 2020। डोंट वरी, Vedantu is there. In this short video, I'll be telling you all the things that you need to do, and we guys are always there for all of you guys so that we can together make this achievable for all of you guys, है ना। So in this session I'll be talking about all the things which is going to definitely help you a lot. So watch this session entirely. You guys will feel कि यार सच में अगर ये follow कर डाला तो definitely nobody can stop you in order to achieve your target. So we will be discussing all the important topics along with subtopics also, which are the topics we need to do first, right? So that we can definitely grab this, and this is the aim of ours for this session, and that is guaranteed 50+ marks. Okay, so one more announcement I would like to make, that I hope that you guys have seen Anand Prakash sir's session in which we have shared some strategy that how we can build the gap that has come in the January mains, and from that how can we score 99 percentile in the upcoming April wala examination. Okay, so in this regard we are coming up with sprint 2.0 for all of you guys. What is that? Basically this is the proper schedule which will be followed on this very channel JEE channel, and daily we guys will be coming up with 3 to 4 hour long intense classes for all of you guys so that you can complete your syllabus, right? Coordinate geometry will be on 17th of March will be entirely revising coordinate geometry in one go. Okay, in one go. Okay, then mechanics will be doing on 18th March in one go guys. Organic chemistry will be doing in 2 phases on 19th March as well as on 22nd March, right? Calculus will be taking on 20th March. So this is the proper schedule that will be followed guys. So don't forget to take a snapshot of this, because this is something which gonna create something very beautiful for all of you in the upcoming days, right? So iska screenshot le lo. This is another schedule which will be followed from 25th to 3rd of April guys, and a lot of surprises are being planned for all of you guys because we want you to have 99 percentile. Ab ye sari strategy, why we are working on this, because we really want you to have that. For that what you have to do, just watch this session entirely so that you can learn ki how to make the proper use of this particular schedule, what are the topics that you need to do, why I am recommending those topics. Everything is there in this session. Okay, in mathematics you can see that this is the weightage, right? Calculus, if you see, a huge weightage of calculus is there, 32%. Algebra is around 35%. 25% is vectors 3D along with coordinate geometry and some portion of trigonometry also, right? So our current state of mind is like this: which particular topic should I read now? What are the topics that can help me fetch 50+ marks guaranteed? This session will definitely take you to 75+ marks also, but you have, because you know where you are lying, right? So if you watch this session completely, मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको बहुत ज़्यादा फायदा होने वाला है. If you look in the 2020 papers that has happened on 7th Jan, 8th Jan, 9th Jan, these are the question ratios coming from the class 11th as well as class 12th. So this is the ratio that I have compared, right? Percentage wise. Now level of difficulty, if you see guys, 7th Jan shift 2 was the toughest one that has come, and these are the number of the questions that has come from 11th and 12th. Now in this April examination, I'm again expecting that 12th portion will be a significant one. So if you are giving your board examination, definitely you should focus there also, because it will somehow help you in order to have good marks in JEE main examination also. Okay, yeah, if you look at the topic wise how many questions has come guys, this is the complete analysis that we have made. Sequence and series, 12 questions were asked in all the shifts of the January 2020. Okay, if you see another topics, application of derivatives, 11 questions has come. So look at the significance, look at the number of the questions that has been asked from each and every topic, right? So accordingly I will share the strategy in this video, that how we can make most out of this data that is there. Okay, yes, so let's move in there. Let's break the monotony कि सर सारे के सारे टॉपिक पढ़ूंगा तो ही मेरे 50+ आएंगे क्या, या 75+ लाने के लिए भी मुझे पूरा का पूरा सिलेबस कंप्लीट करना जरूरी है क्या? What strategy should I follow so that I can achieve my target? Do you want to have that? Okay, let's move into this now. These are the subtopics that I'll be mentioning for each and every topic along with the weightage that a particular chapter will be carrying. Sets and relations and functions, these are the important things. Power set, type of relations, equivalence relations and all. Functions may you need to focus on one, onto, into functions. Composition of functions, right? F of g of x, function के अंदर function, right? If you look at mathematical reasoning and mathematical reasoning के अंदर the things are quite easy. Tautology, contradiction, converse in contrapositive, heights and distances के अंदर you need to focus on the problems because these are easy topics. Statistics, hardly it will take 35 to 40 minutes in order to have your JEE command, right? Standard deviation is important, variance is important, mean deviation about any given data is important. In integral calculus, you should be focusing on integration by substitution, partial fractions, trigonometric identities, along with integral as a limit of a sum. Okay, yes, so these are the important things. Then moving on to differential equation, these are the important things, what they are. Variable separable method is very important. Then coming on to homogeneous system of equations is important, and then coming on to the third one, that is linear differential equation. Okay, so these are the important topics in this chapter. Limit, continuity, differentiability, you guys can see Rolle's theorem, mean values theorem, increasing decreasing functions, maxima minima निकालना, tangent and normals, these are the important things. Coordinate geometry in straight lines, you can see that these are the topics that I have mentioned. Angle between the two lines is very important, guys, don't forget to do it. Along with that, family of lines, and along also spatial points in a triangle, the 4 spatial points. If you include eccentre also, then it will be 5. So again, a very important topic. If you look about circles and conic sections, so tangents are important. What is the condition of tangency, that is again important. So these are the things that I have clubbed for all of you guys. You can access the PDF from the video given below, and you will have everything for free on this Vedantu JEE channel. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Okay, in the 3D you need to do what? Angle between the two lines, skew lines is again important, shortest distance between them and its equation, intersection of a line and a plane, and coplanar lines. If two lines are lying on a plane, how to solve those questions. Okay, so that is there in vector algebra. You need to have vector triple product, scalar triple product, cross product, dot product. These are some of the important things. Okay, in probability, Bayes theorem, conditional probability are very important. If you talk about complex numbers and quadratic equations, तो ये सारी की सारी चीजें note down कर लेना यार, because this will definitely help you a lot. And also share these things among your friends, because these are some of the very important topics which are there for your entire JEE Main examination. अगर ये जो चीजें हैं, इसके अलावा मैं और भी बताऊंगा, अभी थोड़ा सेशन में जाता हूं. फर्स्ट, ये चीजें अगर हमने सारी हर एक चैप्टर में कर दी, डेफिनेटली हमारा रिजल्ट बहुत अच्छा आएगा बच्चों. रूट्स एंड कोएफिशिएंट के बीच में रिलेशन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, नेचर ऑफ द रूट्स, देन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन हुज रूट्स आर गिवन. दीज आर द इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स इन दिस चैप्टर. मैट्रिसेस एंड डिटरमिनेंट्स, यू नीड टू नो प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मैट्रिसेस एंड डिटरमिनेंट्स. एडजॉइंट का क्वेश्चन काफी फ्रीक्वेंटली आता है. कंसिस्टेंसी एंड सॉल्यूशन ऑफ अ लाइन ऑफ 3 इक्वेशंस व्हिच आर गिवन टू यू, साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशंस. दिस इज अगेन इंपॉर्टेंट. मैंने एक वीडियो जनवरी मेंस से पहले भी किया था, एंड इन दैट ऑल्सो जो मैंने कहा था सारे का सारा वही हुआ बच्चों. सो डेफिनेटली फॉलो दिस, ये तुमको बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प करेगा. when you give your examination, when you will be giving your examination, right, when you will be done with your examination, you will come and see, right, all the questions will come from there only. I'm telling you, I can bet on this. So do these, guys, definitely this will help you a lot. Then coming on to permutations and combinations, this is the thing. Binomial may you need to know general term along with binomial coefficient problems. Okay, in sequence and series, very important topic for JEE Main. You need to know insertion of arithmetic means, geometric mean, and relationship which is there between arithmetic mean, geometric mean, right, and AGP is also very important. Then coming on to trigonometry, these are the things. Now sir, इतना सारा तो आपने बता दिया, लेकिन इतना सारा करेंगे कैसे? इतना सारा तो आपने बता दिया कि सर ये इंपॉर्टेंट है. लुक, इफ यू डू ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स देन 75 प्लस तो आपके आ जाएंगे फॉर श्योर. लेकिन इफ यू आर वरीड कि सर ज्यादा पहले नहीं पढ़ा है, देन व्हाट टू डू? सो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल कैटेगराइज दीज, I'll categorize entire syllabus into these 3 classes. Okay, category 1, high output, low input, right? Input बहुत कम है और output बहुत ज्यादा है. If you look into category 2, high output and high input. So again, definitely फायदा है because these two things are giving us high outputs. if you talk about category 3, then these are the rest of the topics which are there. So definitely what you need to do, you need to do statistics and mathematical reasoning, vector 3D, because inputs are less and output is so high, heights and distances, functions, sequence and series. Along with this, matrices and determinants, quadratic equations and complex numbers, straight lines and definite integration. These are the topic. Just note it down, guys, because very less input is there and a huge output is there. If you look at these topics, differential equation, now only 3 things are there in the differential equation, though you need to solve a lot of questions, but guys, if you give this input, then definitely your input gonna be high. So differential equation, parabola, ellipse and hyperbola, if you understand parabola very well, then ellipse and hyperbola are just a reflection to that. So if you complete parabola carefully, then ellipse and hyperbola you will be having good command on. Okay, so area under the curves, one more quadratic equations you can say come in both of the categories, circles, binomial theorem and application of derivatives. These 2 categories of chapters, if you do, it will be helping you a lot in order to achieve your dream college, guys. Okay, yes. Then what are the easy topics, sir, which we should focus on? These are the topics that I have mentioned: sequence and series, statistics, mathematical reasoning, vectors 3D, determinants, definite integrals, application of derivatives, quadratic equations, complex numbers. If you do all these topics, guys, 40 marks तो आपके यहीं से शॉर्ट हो जाते हैं. Again I am telling you बच्चों, ये चीज फॉलो कर लो, सच में दिल से मुझे थैंक्स बोलोगे. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग यू दीज थिंग्स अगेन एंड अगेन, है ना. डेफिनेटली बहुत ज्यादा फायदा होगा. अगर इतने ही टॉपिक कर लिए, गारंटीड 40 प्लस से ज्यादा लेके आओगे. और ऐसा नहीं है कि 40 प्लस में सिर्फ 40 है, उसके बाद आपका जो ऑलरेडी पड़ा हुआ है या जो दूसरी चीजें हैं जो मैंने अब तक इससे पहले बताई, डू ऑल्सो देम. तो 50 प्लस आप गारंटीड स्कोर कर सकते हो. एंड अगर आप 75 और उससे ज्यादा भी 75 या उससे ज्यादा लाना चाहते हो, तो ऑल द सब टॉपिक्स, इंपॉर्टेंट सब टॉपिक्स इन ईच एंड एवरी चैप्टर ऑल्सो आई हैव टोल्ड यू, डोंट फॉरगेट टू डू देम. इन ऑर्डर टू मास्टर मैथमेटिक्स इन JEE, guys, you need to understand something, that highly predictable questions are coming. Now sir, highly predictable है लेकिन हमें तो समझ में नहीं आता. Don't worry, we will be coming up with Sprint 2.0. In that particular series, you will be seeing a lot of those variety of questions, and it is basically planned on the way JEE is asking questions these days, right? So we will take care of this for all of you guys, don't worry. Okay, now how you can save your time in the examination hall? You can use substitutions and elimination options. If you want me to make some videos on these things, definitely you can write below the video. So every day from 17th onwards, we will be doing इंटेंस क्लासेस, 3 to 4 आवर की बैक टू बैक क्लास होएगी, है ना. बैक टू बैक 1 लॉन्ग क्लास होएगी, डेली होएगी 17 से लेकर के 3rd of April तक, सो दैट आप अपना भविष्य बना पाओ इन दिनों में ही. तो हम आपके साथ हैं. क्या आप मेहनत करने के लिए तैयार हो? अगर आप मेहनत करने के लिए तैयार हो तो राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स एंड ऑल्सो राइट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. इफ यू वांट एनीथिंग फ्रॉम अस, डू राइट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. वी विल रेस्पॉन्ड टू ईच एंड एवरी क्वेरी ऑफ योर्स, and whatever you need, just put that in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond, because our aim is what? Our aim is big and we can do it no matter जनवरी वाला मेंस कैसा गया हो, अप्रैल वाले में हम बिल्कुल फोड़ के रहेंगे. एंड जस्ट मेक अ कमिटमेंट दैट यू विल बी अटेंडिंग दीज क्लासेस डेली ऑन दिस चैनल. सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब, बिकॉज इफ यू सब्सक्राइब you will never miss any class. Do like the video so that it reaches to others also. Do share this video ताकि ये प्लानिंग सबके पास पहुंच सके, and together we can make this thing happen. I wish you all the very best, guys. Love you all. Whatever your queries are, write in the comment section. हम पढ़ाएंगे भी, स्ट्रैटेजी भी बताएंगे, और इस चीज को अचीव करके भी दिखाएंगे, और वो भी घर बैठे. तो मिलते हैं 17th से in these sessions. Love you all, guys. Bye bye, take care.